In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Portainer with Docker. We're going to do this directly through Docker Desktop, which makes the process very simple and beginner-friendly. If you already have Docker Desktop installed and running on your computer, you're in a great place to get started. Portainer is a helpful management interface for Docker, and installing it through the built-in extensions area is one of the easiest ways to access it. To begin, open the Docker Desktop application. Make sure the app is fully loaded before moving on, because some menu options may take a moment to appear. Once Docker Desktop is open, you should be looking at the main dashboard where Docker gives you access to containers, images, settings, and other tools. Next, go to the Extensions tab in the left-hand menu. This section is where Docker Desktop lets you browse and install add-ons that expand its functionality. If you've never used extensions before, this is essentially Docker's built-in marketplace for useful tools and integrations. Once you're inside the extensions area, use the search feature to look for Portainer. Type Portainer into the Marketplace search bar and wait for the results to load. You should see the Portainer extension appear in the list. Taking a moment to confirm the name is useful here, especially if multiple related results show up. After you find Portainer, click Install. Docker Desktop will begin downloading and setting up the extension for you. Depending on your system and internet speed, this may take a few moments. During installation, it's best to let the process finish completely before clicking elsewhere. If you notice any loading indicators, just give Docker Desktop time to complete the setup in the background. Once the installation is finished, you can launch Portainer directly from your Docker Desktop sidebar. This is one of the most convenient parts of the process because you won't need to manually configure a separate interface just to open it. Simply click on Portainer from the sidebar and it should open within Docker Desktop so you can start using it. At this point, Portainer is installed and accessible from your Docker environment. If you're following along for the first time, it's a good idea to explore the interface slowly so you can get familiar with where things are. That's all it takes to install Portainer with Docker using Docker Desktop.